Now we put the product. Now we put the product inside of the hopper. Powder. Okay, close it. We open it. Open. We just click a semi-auto and both buttons automatically on. Now the powder is going up. This is the level sensor. Control the product automatic. If the product going up, it will give signal to fit the product again. If the product going up full, it will give signal to stop the elevator automatically. Open. Now the powder is coming. It will stop after this sensor detects the product full of this tank.